In this video, we'll see together when to use the tenses in French and more precisely le présent du conditionnel. Le présent du conditionnel. So let's see together how we can use it and when we can use it. The first thing is that it is used to express something that one might like to do. Second possibility, it is used to express the doubt or to express a question. And the third possibility that we will have, it is used to express something that might be possible. So let's have a look at the sentences and the examples. Je viendrai avec plaisir. So as you can see here, you have your verb venir. It's in the présent du conditionnel. Je viendrai. And in that case, clearly you want to express something you would like to do. I would like to come. I would gladly come. Je viendrai avec plaisir. So for that purpose, we will use le présent du conditionnel. Second example, il pourrait vraiment travailler pour nous. So in that situation, you can see that you're using the verb pouvoir. You put the verb pouvoir, obviously, in the présent du conditionnel, third person of the singular, il pourrait. You finish with the question mark, then in that case, you really want to express a doubt. You're not really sure that he's capable of working with us. Il pourrait vraiment travailler pour nous? Third example, elle disait qu'elle pourrait nous aider. And in that situation, elle pourrait, as you can see, elle pourrait, it's one more time the verb pouvoir in the présent du conditionnel, and you want to express something that might be possible. Je viendrai avec plaisir, something you would like to do. Il pourrait vraiment travailler pour nous. You just want to express a doubt, a big question. Elle disait qu'elle pourrait nous aider, something that might be possible. Let's have a look at the last possibility, which is quite big in a way. I've been making a video covering this topic. It's when it's used with si plus imparfait. So you want to express something that is subject to a precondition. The precondition will be introduced by the si plus imparfait structure. So let's have a look at it. Si je gagnais au loto, je partirais en vacances. So in that situation, je partirais is the présent du conditionnel. Je partirais en vacances, and it's the verb partir. But as you can see, this part has a precondition. The precondition is introduced by si with je gagnais, which is the imparfait form of the verb gagner. Si je gagnais au loto, je partirais en vacances. This is, we use it a lot, these si structures. So if you're not really sure how to construct it, I've been making a beautiful video on this topic, and it's really, really precise. So if you want to master it, remember to have a look at it. So, si je gagnais au loto, this precondition that is introduced by the imparfait, and then je partirais en vacances, this is the présent du conditionnel.